How life comes into physical creation. Shri Shri Anandamurti. Food taken, after mixing with the digestive fluids, gets transformed into rasa, the unneces, seri material being rejected in the form of urine and other waste matter. The essence of rasa is transformed into blood, waste matter once again being rejected. The essence of blood changes into flesh, and the essence of flesh into meda or vasa, fat, and so on till it changes into bone, bone marrow, and ultimate. Lie into shukra. The physical body is constituted of these 7 materials, of which shukra is the final essence. This vital fluid has 3 stages: lymph, or pranyarasa, lasika, spermatozoa, and seminal fluid, 1. The lymph forces through lymphatic vessels, which run side by side with the arter, eyes. The glands through which lymphatic vessels pass are known as lymphatic glands. The function of lymph is to purify the blood and maintain the beauty and glory of the body. And by getting into the glands, it enables proper secretion of hormones. For the proper development of innate qualities, an adequate amount of lymph is necessary. The lymph rises up and gets into the brain, thus strength. Meaning it, for intellectuals, an adequate amount of lymph is necessary. Deficiency or defect in the lymph causes some disease in the organ where the deficiency has occurred. For example, defects of the lymph system in the leg will result in elephantiasis of the leg. Some nerve plexuses get developed at the age of 12 to 14 in hot countries and 13 to 16 in cold countries. In the male body, they are the testes, and in the female, the ovaries. After a due supply of lymph to the brain, the extra lymph comes in contact with the testes and is transformed into spermatozoa. By a proper system of observing fast, the excessive formation of lymph can be checked. Impure thoughts also cause excessive formation of spermatozoa from lymph. If the surplus lymph is destroyed, there is no harm. Spermatozoa with lymph and other fluids collected in the seminal sac are known as seminal fluid. In the female body, this excess lymph is converted into ova, and the unused ova, together with other seminal wastages, are discharged every month during the last 3 or 4 days in the monthly menstruation. If the sperms of the male and the ova of the female get together, they constitute one physical structure. When the physical structure commences formation, there is no question of extra seminal fluid or seminal wastage, and that is why in the stage of pregnancy there is no menstruation. All the seminal fluid is utilized in forming the body of the embryo. In the uterus, the basic physical structure is first formed. This structure has potential energy and emanates a wavelength. It receives the potentiality from the momentum of the spermatozoa.